Take a slow, deep breath with me. Inhale, hold, and gently exhale. Let your shoulders relax, your mind soften, and your heart open to receive a message of hope today. We are here to reflect on a powerful quote by Nelson Mandela. It always seems impossible until it is done. These words are not just inspiration. They are a reminder that what feels too heavy right now, what feels too far away, or too hard to achieve, may simply be waiting for your courage, your patience, and your consistent small actions. Today, we will explore how to move past fear, how to keep going when things feel impossible, and how to believe in your ability to achieve the dreams you carry in your heart. We all have moments when we look at our dreams and feel small. You might want to pass an important exam, but every time you sit down to study, you feel overwhelmed. You may wish to start a new business, but you feel afraid of failure and rejection. You might dream of building a healthier lifestyle, but every time you try, it feels too hard to continue. Or perhaps, you simply want peace in your mind, but your worries and doubts keep coming back. These challenges feel impossible because our mind creates stories around them. Stories like, what if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? What if people judge me? What if I disappoint myself? Fear can feel heavy, but it does not have to define you. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison for fighting against injustice in South Africa. Every day, he woke up in a small cell, facing the same uncertainty, the same loneliness, and the weight of his mission. Many people told him that change was impossible, that the system was too strong, and freedom would never come. But Mandela did not lose hope. He believed in the power of consistent action, even in the smallest form, and in the quiet strength that grows in silence. When he was finally released, he led his nation with forgiveness and wisdom, transforming impossibility into reality. His story teaches us that challenges, no matter how impossible they seem, can be overcome with patience, faith, and resilience. Take a deep breath and gently ask yourself, what feels impossible in your life right now? Is it building your confidence, passing your exams, healing from heartbreak, finding a purpose that gives your life meaning? Hold these thoughts softly, without judgment. Acknowledge the fear, but remind yourself that acknowledging fear is not the same as accepting defeat. Your mind often tries to protect you by convincing you not to take risks. It tells you you are not ready, you will fail, it will be too painful. These voices of fear are trying to keep you safe, but they also keep you small. Mandela in his cell could have chosen to believe that freedom was impossible, but instead, he believed that the path would unfold as he stayed consistent and hopeful. You too can choose to see your challenges not as dead ends, but as opportunities to grow. Many people think achieving big dreams requires massive action immediately. But the truth is, every large achievement is built on consistent small steps. If studying feels impossible, start with 10 minutes. If building a business feels impossible, start with researching one idea. If peace feels impossible, start with 5 minutes of breathing. Small steps compound over time. Each small step reduces fear and replaces it with momentum. Throughout history, the greatest achievements once seemed impossible. Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. J.K. Rowling was rejected by multiple publishers before Harry Potter became a global story. People who overcame severe illnesses and rebuilt their health started by believing in one step at a time. The impossible often becomes possible not in a single leap, but through quiet, persistent effort. Take a breath in and out. Think of something you are grateful for. Your health, your effort, a supportive person in your life, the ability to learn. Gratitude shifts your mindset from fear to hope. It reminds you of what you already have, building courage to pursue what you desire. Repeat these affirmations softly. I am capable. Impossible is just a feeling. Step by step, I am moving forward. I trust my journey, I will not give up. Let these words replace the fear-based thoughts in your mind. If you have a notebook, write down 1. What feels impossible for you right now? 2. Why do you want to achieve this goal? 3. What is one small step you can take today? If you cannot right now, hold these questions in your mind. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I am learning to do this. Instead of saying, it's too hard, say, it will take effort, and I am willing. Shifting your language will shift your mindset. Failure does not mean something is impossible. It simply means you are learning. Failure teaches you what does not work, how to improve, how to build resilience. Mandela faced setbacks, but he kept going. You too can continue, learning from each setback with compassion for yourself. Close your eyes, take a slow breath, and visualize yourself achieving what currently feels impossible. See yourself passing your exam. See your business idea taking shape. See yourself waking up with peace. See yourself overcoming your fear. Visualization makes your goals feel more possible, preparing your mind for success. Write Mandela's quote somewhere you can see it daily. It always seems impossible until it is done. Let it remind you, every day, that your dreams are valid and possible. Mandela's resilience came from a clear vision of what he wanted to achieve, a willingness to endure discomfort for his mission, a mindset of hope despite daily challenges. You can build resilience in your journey by clarifying your vision, accepting discomfort as part of growth, choosing hope daily. Break down goals into micro steps. If your dream feels too big, divide it into smaller tasks you can complete daily. Track your progress. Keep a simple journal of your daily actions. Seek accountability. Share your goal with a friend who can encourage you. Celebrate small wins. Each step forward deserves acknowledgement. Mandela did not work alone. He had people who shared his vision, even when separated by prison walls. Find or build a community of like-minded people. Study groups for exams, business networking groups, mental health support groups. Community can turn isolation into strength. If you feel overwhelmed, pause, breathe, focus on the next small action. Remind yourself why you started. Overwhelm often comes from thinking too far ahead. Return to the present moment. Progress may feel slow, but it is progress. The journey may feel uncertain, but it is shaping you. Trust that each step, even if small, is building your strength, your skills, and your mindset. Be kind to yourself during this journey. You are not behind. You are on your path. You are allowed to rest, to try again, and to move at your pace. Mandela's legacy, your inspiration. Mandela's story shows us change is possible, even when it feels impossible. One person's belief can transform many lives. Quiet hope and consistent effort create real change. Your life, your dreams, and your growth can inspire others too. Take a breath in and out. Reflect. What is one step you will take today toward what feels impossible? How will you remind yourself that it is possible? Repeat, I am capable of achieving my dreams. I will not give up on what I desire. Impossible is just a feeling, not a fact. Step by step, I will get there. It always seems impossible until it is done. This is your reminder that your dreams are worth your effort. Your journey matters. You matter. Thank you for taking this time to reflect and grow with me today. If this message brought you hope, please like this video, subscribe for more motivation, and share it with someone who needs encouragement. Until next time, breathe deeply, stay kind to yourself, and keep moving forward.